So in this course, we're going to do an egg scramble called a Joe's Special. We're going to give it a good spray of canola oil, about 2 ounces of diced onion, a little pinch of garlic, which I like adding in right here with vegetables. And then we're going to season our onions. And when you're seasoning, you never want to season straight up and down. You always want to broadcast. Broadcasting means you just go across. That way everything gets seasoned together. Just going to give that a quick little saute there. That's where your pan trick comes in. Next we're going to go ahead and add in about 6 ounces of ground beef. What you want to do is you want to break up your beef into as small pieces as you can. Keep it moving. Now we're going to add a little pinch of oregano. We're going to go ahead and add 2 ounces of fresh mushrooms. Now we're going to go ahead and add about 3 ounces of spinach, fresh spinach. Give that a light seasoning. We're going to go ahead and crack in 3 eggs. What you want to do here, break up your egg yolks real quick. And then on this dish here, you don't want to scramble it, you want to fold it. You want to work around the edges. And it's kind of like a eggy omelet, kind of a scramble here. This is, you go to San Francisco, you order a Joe's Special. This is what it is. Just want to make sure that there's not too much wet in there, but you don't want to overcook it either. And I would say that's just about right. So what we'll do is we'll turn the heat down. We'll go ahead and plate this.